Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find out the elements names that you use on your design in Canva. So in here, I have this two elements added to my Canva, and if you want to know the name of the elements that you add, you can just here go to elements, and here these two are the elements that I added into this design. You can just click on the three dots icon here at the top right corner of the elements, and that will be this the name of the elements. Well, let's try on the second one. So the first one is school. uh okay, so this one is 3D pile of book, and if you want to find the same elements here, you can just click on the see more like this, for example, and Canva will find another elements to fit with this or the magic recommendations to add to your design. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.